Let's go. Napkins, rollers, paintbrushes, foil, Mod Podge, glue, foil, and my 24 by 24 Tic Tac Toe board that I bought at Hobby Lobby. I wanted to do this for our other business we have called Little Hampton's Picnic. So my husband decided to spray the board for me since he's a professional sprayer artist, and I was thankful for him to do it. He did it within 10 minutes. It came out beautiful. The next step was to get the napkins out and to start opening them up and cutting them and organizing them to make them fit on the X's. I was all excited. I was like, yeah, this is so going to work. Then I forgot I needed to take off the second layer. So what I did was I started Mod Podging the X's. I placed the napkin over and I was like, oh, this is awesome. Then I was like, how do I take it off? Oh, okay. I can just trim them off with the sponge. Peel them off as well. Everything's a learning process. But it started working. Then I knew what to do as I was going along. I didn't want all the X's to look alike, so I started piece making them and putting the lemons in different spots. Hence, I got through the fourth one, and I was excited. They started to come alive. What a great process this was becoming. I was almost done, and bam, I was on to applying the tacky glue to the circles, and this was so much fun. You had to wait about 45 minutes for the glue to dry so it becomes tacky. Now I was going to apply the gold leaf, and all you do is you gently put them on with a piece of wax paper, and like that, they just stick. And then you take a dry brush and you just kind of brush it off. I was like, this is so much fun. I can't believe it's even working. But with a little time and patience, it started to come alive. I was like, oh, I am a pro at this. This is awesome. So with that, I was doing one, and there it is. So sure enough, I went on to the next one, and they looked beautiful. Here was my finished product. I was so proud of myself because I've never done this before, and voila, complete.